How do you divide time? It can start from as small as a second, to a minute, to an hour, to a day, to a week, to a month, to a year. Do you want to learn how to divide time in Hindi? Let's learn the time period in Hindi.
समय,
time,
क्षण,
second,
प्रभात,
morning,
संध्या,
evening,
रात्रि,
night,
अर्धरात्रि,
midnight,
दोपहर,
afternoon,
दिन,
day,
प्रतिदिन,
every day,
आज,
today,
कल,
yesterday,
परसों,
day before yesterday,
परसों,
day after tomorrow,
कल,
tomorrow,
सप्ताह,
week,
पक्ष,
fortnight,
मास,
month,
तिथि,
date,
वर्ष,
year,